Life-saving drug settlement today. Maryland's Attorney General announcing the $100 million settlement against a drug company accused of hiking the price of a medication used to treat serious medical conditions and charging thousands for it. WJZ's Live, George Solis explains how the settlement could impact the prices of other important medications in the future. George.
Good evening, Vic. Maryland Attorney General Brian Frost telling WJZ this $100 million settlement should send a clear message to drug companies trying to unfairly jack up prescription costs that it simply will not be tolerated. Wednesday, Maryland joining 4 other states along with the Federal Trade Commission in a victory in a growing battle against prescription price gouging. Maryland Attorney General Brian Frost sitting down with WJZ to discuss the details of a $100 million settlement against Mallinckrodt Pharmaceuticals, a company that was accused in a lawsuit of monopolizing the market by getting a hold of the rights to their only competition, the generic form of their drug Acthar, used to treat a number of life-threatening diseases like infantile spasms and multiple sclerosis.
As a result, they jacked the prices up
from $40 to more than $34,000 per vial, an 85,000% increase. Part of the initial lawsuit alleges the drug company far outbid 3 others as a way to protect their monopoly. One of those drug companies founded by none other than Martin Shkreli, who gained notoriety for another price hike on another drug.
It's not funny, Mr. Shkreli. People are dying, and they're getting sicker and sicker.
Frost says their investigation into Mallinckrodt began shortly thereafter.
We're fighting it on a number of different fronts.
As part of the settlement, the company will have to give the generic form of the drug to another pharmaceutical company so that it can be developed to compete with Acthar. In a statement, the company says they are pleased with the agreement, but, quote, strongly disagree with the allegations. Now, Frost tells WJZ part of the plan to prevent prescription price gouging is to introduce legislation that prevents it in the first place. We're live tonight, George Solis, WJZ Eyewitness News.
George, thank you. The company says it will pay out the $100 million in the coming weeks, and some of that money will be coming back to Maryland.